Mikey, and today we're gonna be building a puzzle box as a challenge. And yeah, but we don't have Legos, so there you go. Do a thing. Here, take Legos from here.
Okay, so what's the challenge?
The challenge is to make a puzzle box that looks fancy, and that it's at least medium difficulty.
And whoever makes the fanciest box is the winner.
No, whoever makes the fanciest box and a medium difficulty box wins. Okay, go.
Make a box?
A Lego puzzle box. Jaylinn, you're not gonna win this. I didn't teach you anything, Jaylinn. The reason why I needed these is because I need to do a thing so it can look cool. Hi. Come on. You know what? I give up on that part. Okay, let's just do that. What? Does that not make it look good? Really, Jaylinn? Man, I didn't realize it was not that much Legos. Why are you going faster? My brain is not prepared for this. Okay, now I really don't know what to build. This is the worst. I'm not gonna have any of the good pieces. Jaylinn, I said to make a puzzle box. This doesn't.
It's upside down. I haven't finished. And then you open it like this.
Jaylinn,
I don't know.
I don't like. You know, I get. You know. What? Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah. Oh, wrong placement.
And can I keep this? Hello? Hello?
I don't know, cause they're kind of my Legos. I don't know.
I finished.
Jaylinn, really?
Okay, I did.
Give me a sec. A second. I give up. Jaylinn, you can literally see the inside.
Wait, you're not supposed to see the inside?
Look at the way you place it. You can see the inside.
Oh, don't.
Is that it?
Hey, how would
You know what? You win, cause I couldn't figure out anything with this thing.
Okay, thank you.
Yours
Thank you
actually,
for me.
yours actually does a thing. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more of my videos.
And make sure you check out my channel. It's called Jaylinn Acosta. We will be doing a collab.
Jaylinn, it's not really a collab per se. It's a challenge.
It's a collab with Playtime with Mikey. Okay, goodbye.
Oh, you know what? End the video.